Tony Robbins said, "Personal power is the ability to take action." And he also said, "The path to success is to take massive, determined action." Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and today's episode is about understanding the real power of taking actions. Great personalities from India and across the world always agree on one crucial aspect of our lives: action. They lay emphasis on the real power of taking planned, consistent actions. So, let's listen to what these great thinkers of all time says about action and what we can learn from them. Sri Ravi Shankar says, "Usually what we do is we hurry the mind, but are slow in our action. Impatience means hurry in the mind. Lethargy means slowness in action. Patience in mind and dynamism in action is the right formula." And he further adds, "Reaction and non-action both create karma, but conscious action transcends karma." Bradley Whitford said, "Take action. You can either be a passive victim of circumstance, or you can be the active hero of your own life." Action is the antidote to apathy, cynicism, and despair. You will inevitably make mistakes, but at the end of your days, you will be remembered for your gallop, not for your stumble. Jim Rohn said, "Successful people are action-oriented." And he also viewed, attitude drives action, action drives result, results drive lifestyle. Dennis Waitley beautifully said, "Motivation is motive in action." And Thomas Jefferson said, "Do you want to know who you are? Don't ask, act. Action will delineate you and define you." And to this, Harry S. Truman said, "Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction." Emphasizing about action, Steve Maraboli said, "Take action. An inch of movement will bring you closer to your goals than a mile of intention." And even Brian Tracy says, "Action with planning is the cause of all success." Further adding to this, he said, "One of the marks of successful people is they are action oriented." So, here's my top 10 learnings from what they all have said. First, taking massive determined action defines the power that you hold within yourself. Second, conscious action has the power to even surpasses karma. Third, practice patience in thinking process, but be dynamic in taking actions. Fourth, making mistakes is acceptable, but non-action is a big no. The fifth one, your actions are based on your thoughts, on your attitude. Sixth, the desired result is achievable only when you take consistent actions. Seventh, when the intention is to act, motivation follows you automatically. Eighth, imperfect action is acceptable, but perfect inaction isn't. Ninth, to achieve a bigger goal, you need to take small actions which, when combined, leads you towards your successful achievement of the bigger goal. And the last one, the only focus to become successful is to be committed to take consistent action. And so, here's my conclusion. Action is equals to success. With this, I believe that's it for today. Do let me know what's your number one takeaway from today's episode. Connect with me and share your thoughts. Remember, all the important links are in the description to the podcast. Thank you for your valuable time in listening to my podcast. I really appreciate that. And I invite you to book a one-on-one with me if you need any help to learn how to start living self-love lifestyle, and I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share the podcast among the people in your network. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music and Google Podcast, and help me reach across the globe with my message of self-love. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.